Hey guys, real quick, I was going to show you what you can do for practicing at home with your orchestra book. So if you went to essentialelementsinteractive.com and you made an account, you can go right to login. Otherwise, it will prompt you to make an account. I did this during the summer and I did student individual with one of the books I bought. So it'll have you create an account and log in, and then it'll bring you here. You can go a couple of places. You can go to digital books and you can open up your actual book and it'll show you every single page. The other cool thing is you can come here to Music Studio, and when you're here at Music Studio, you can practice any of the songs in our book and you can choose what kind of music you want to play along to. So let's say you want to practice mix them up with piano accompaniment. So you can change it to lots of different kinds of music. You can choose classical, and each of the songs has a different variety. Here's another one. You can also click this to have it play over and over and over if you want to get really good at one particular song. So you can play around with it. You can change your instrument over here, and I hope you have fun practicing at home.